This unique but insanely flavorful and fragrant pasta dish comes together in less than 30 minutes. Made with simple pantry ingredients, whipping it up for yourself will have you feeling all sorts of fancy. Briny ingredients, perfectly cooked pasta, garnished with a touch of cheese and basil. This is a very popular dish and I want to show you how to make it today on the Stay at Home Chef. I like to start off this recipe by chopping and prepping anything that needs to be prepped. Finely chop up 1/4 a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Whether you use dry packed or oil packed, either way is great. 12 anchovies, which is about as many as in those little tins, finely chopped. And I know some people don't care for anchovies, but these bring on such a unique flavor profile to this dish. 1/2 cup of sliced Kalamata olives. I just like to slice them right in half. And mince 3 cloves of garlic. Getting those ingredients prepped beforehand makes the assembly of this recipe so fast, dinner will be on the table in no time. Heading over to the stove, we're going to heat 1/4 cup of olive oil in a medium-sized pan over medium heat. Then add in that minced garlic and the finely minced anchovies. Let that cook, stirring that occasionally for about 3 to 5 minutes until the garlic turns golden. Then add in 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Give that a stir and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Add in the 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives, 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of capers, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes based off of the level of heat that you like. Give that a stir and let that simmer over medium-low heat uncovered for an additional 15 minutes until the sauce is thickened up a bit and the flavors have richened. While the sauce is simmering, we're going to cook up 1 pound of linguine pasta according to the package instructions. Add in that cooked drained pasta to the sauce and toss that until the pasta is evenly coated. Salt and pepper to taste, garnish with a little bit of cheese and some fresh basil, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.